Well, folks, I took out the Motorola power supply, and that was not the issue. So I said, well, the next thing I could have cracked was the computer power supply, and it is exactly what it was. She had a failure. She nice and toasty. Burned out the traces. Blew up that. Blew up whatever the hell that is down there. Diode, I guess. And, yeah. My guess, probably these two capacitors probably shorted out. But there we go. So what the issue was, the actual power supply failed in the computer, in the desktop computer. And that's the power supply, model N305N-03. An old Dell desktop I had here. Oh well. Chances are I've probably done something to the computer too, so. Lovely. Anyway. Is it worth trying to get a new power supply and put it in the computer? That's the question. Is it worth it? Anyway. Here she was. Good bluey.